Hey, welcome back to the Mallard Farmhouse. Today, we took a road trip over to Heath, Ohio to Rural King to check out the RK74s. So let's go check them out. Back here we have the adjustable lifting arms. That comes in handy. These are adjustable, both sides. Both sides are adjustable. Two sets of rear remotes. Got a little toolbox here on the back. Look at that thing. Look at the axle on that. These fenders, I think, are fiberglass. Yeah, they are. They are fiberglass. Hydraulic filters, easy to get to. There's a lot of room in there once you get behind the tire. There's the front axle. I like how the steering linkage is up high. Pretty beefy looking too. Front end loader, bucket. Price includes loader. Boy, it sounds good. Service desk. I got the heat on right now. This tractor's only been running for about 10 minutes and it's blowing out some good heat. Got some more vents right here. And here's what I like about Rural King tractors. You come right in the store. Here's your hydraulic filter for the RK19 and RK24. Here's some air filters for the RK19, RK24. Nice, you can just come in here and pick these up right off the shelf. Well, I want to thank Bill and Kurt for letting me drive the RK74 today. Any day you drive a tractor is a good day. These tractors are only available in a select few stores right now. Hopefully this gave you a little closer look at the RK74, and hopefully you like this video. I sure do like doing these videos. So until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.